Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you today about the GiveBest heater. It's a 2-foot ceramic heater. Comes with this awesome little remote. And it's got a timer from 1 to 8 hours. It's got this nice little digital display. Nice easy buttons to hit. It's got a tip over sensor. So if you tip it over, it shuts the power off to it completely. And when you put it back on, tip it upright, shuts off. It needs to turn it back on again. It's great for large rooms. It's super quiet and portable. It's safe around family and pets. It rotates 60 degrees. As you can see here, it's rotating now. It goes from 41 degrees all the way up to 90 degrees, and also low and high. It kicks on within 2 degrees of whatever temperature you set it at too, which is really nice. It's really fast heating, and
it's pretty slow. It's not too bad. It lots big-headed things here and on that side, but at least you got two for simple heads. It's upside down, yes. That's the way he put it. It's time to be cleaned. Oh, see, you can't put it the other way. But you could.
I bought 2 of these, and this is how.
Alright guys, I'm going to test out my new portable mini heater that I bought on Amazon. So currently in the restroom it is about 69.970 degrees. And here's the little heater that I bought. So let's turn this sucker on. And on. And let's see how much heat it's producing. Damn, check that out. That thing is...
Here's the sound of it. It's been plugged in for like 5 minutes. There's what it says 06, but it's actually 90. This is what it's supposed to be. So if I go like that, then you'll see. Right now, my hand's probably about 6 inches away.
So first you switch it on from here, then from here, then you have the temperature. It's 90. Yeah, it's hot. You can decrease the temperature, yeah, and you can
paramedics who tried to save George Floyd's life. I have a live report for you from Minneapolis, and we are tracking a trial in Tennessee.